Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Soy Suda. Today's recipe I will be making salt and pepper pork. Let's get started. For recipes, pork Scott fillet 800 gram, 3 spoons water, 4 dry chilies, garlic, onion, capsicum, cornstarch, soft rising flour, pork seasoning, salt, sugar, garlic powder, turmeric, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. I'm going to cut the pork to thin slices. Now I'm going to cut onion. Now I'm going to mix all ingredients together. Then I'm going to add 4 spoons of mixed flour and cornstarch together. Then gonna put this in the fridge for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to deep fry. before you deep fry the pork, you just coat in flour and cornstarch again. And mix all together. Now I'm going to deep fry the pork. Check every piece of flour off. Turn every piece of the pork. Turn them over. Next, add 1 spoon of olive oil. Now I'm going to add the pork.